Hey guys, welcome back to yet another interesting video from Howlogical, and in this video I am going to show you how to use Trello for project management. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to use Trello for project management, you just simply have to open your Trello application at first, and into this section at the home page you will see all of the boards that you have. In order to manage your project, first of all you need a project management board into Trello. In order to create, just simply tap into plus button and then go to board section. And now from here you just simply have to name your board project management. Then after that select the workplace and set the visibility of the board as workplace. Then after that you can change the color background from here, or you can also add the photos from this section. I'm adding this sunflower picture into here and then tap into create board option. And now you just simply have to make the list of the task into your projects at very first. In order to do that, just simply tap to this add list and make a list. Then after that, just simply set up reminder and you can enable this comments and join request option also. And after that, set the reminder and add your members into this project management board. Then from here, you can manage all of your projects by using Trello into this single board. You can do listings, you can set reminders, you can invite all the members into your project and then run your project in very engaging and managed way. This way, you can use Trello for project management. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.